afternoon, everyone. A lot of you are experiencing a winter wonderland right now and are digging out from the central U.S. all the way to the East Coast from this latest storm system. I've been focusing much of my attention really from the central U.S. to the eastern U.S. a lot lately, just simply because that's where all the action has been. But we do have a small little storm system that will bring some snowfall out to the Intermountain West tonight and into tomorrow, especially in Colorado. So check out my next video and it will focus on Colorado and the conditions that we can expect there. This is the current radar picture on WX horizon, and this is the storm system over here that has brought all the heavy snow and ice from Kansas all the way to the East Coast. There is still some lingering snow over parts of the Ohio Valley that will pivot into the mid-Atlantic, but eventually that all will push off the East Coast by the time we get into the evening hours. What I want to focus on is over here into the Intermountain West, and specifically in Colorado in the Denver area. Now, all of these locations north of Denver, we have sensors up here, so that's the area I'm going to focus on. And what we're calling for is a snow event. Now, it's not going to be heavy by any stretch of the imagination, but a light snow event that will impact this area. And if I click on our snow event, it tells us more information. So the start time, which is about 11 p.m. Eastern, which would be about 9 p.m. Mountain. The duration, how much snow is expected, which is about 1.1 inches. And then the timing of the max impact, which is shortly after midnight Eastern tonight. So we can see the snow starting and picking up in intensity around that midnight Eastern time frame. If I click into one of these locations, it'll give us a little bit more information about what's going on here. So the overview, really, we have surface temperatures at about 50 degrees right now. So these are the temperatures of the roadways. So pretty warm roads at this point, but that will obviously drop off as the sun goes down and overnight, and then you can see that snow start to accumulate. And when that does, the surface temperatures are down into the mid-20s by that point. So again, snowfall starting at roughly 11 p.m. Eastern time. A max intensity here looks to be a little over 1/4 inch an hour, so light to potentially some moderate snow throughout the duration of this event, and about 1 inch of accumulation. I'm actually going to be flying into Denver tomorrow morning, so I'll be there with a verification on how much snow we're seeing and what the road conditions are like. And then make sure you stay tuned for my next video that I'll likely try to do midweek, maybe later this week, for the next storm system that's set to impact parts of the south, extending into the southeast. So anywhere from Texas all the way to the Carolinas. We're already starting to see signs on WX Horizon of some snowfall in your areas. So make sure you check out that video mid to later this week.